Hi, my name is Dominic Coyle and I'm in the ESG team here at Investcorp. This video is a demo for the Greenstone platform, taking you through the key functionality to respond to our annual ESG questionnaire. If you have any issues while responding to the questionnaire, please feel free to reach out to me and I'll try to assist. My contact details are in the introduction email that you have been sent and also in the introduction page of this questionnaire. Once you've been given access, you'll receive an email from noreply@greenstoneplus.com with your login credentials. If you have not yet received this, please let me know and I can arrange this for you. Once you have followed the instructions in the welcome email, you should see a page like this, where you can log onto the platform with the credentials you were given. Once you have logged in, you will see a page that looks like this. This is the main view of the platform. I'll talk you around the page firstly before going into the questionnaire itself. We have the questionnaire tab, which is the tab we're looking at right now, and a number of other tabs across the top: GHG emissions wizard, analysis, actions, risks, and ESG projects. There's also some options at the top for admin settings, if you have those options available to you, and also my account, where you can change your password, contact support, or log out of the platform. For this exercise, we're only going to concentrate on the questionnaires tab. The rest of the tabs for now we won't be using, but may use in future. So now we'll go into the questionnaire itself. Once you've logged on, you can click on the questionnaire. It should be called Investcorp Annual ESG Questionnaire 2021. Once you've clicked on the questionnaire, you should be taken to a page that looks like this. There is sections down the left-hand side, which you can click through. But the first page you should see is an introduction, which just has text, which gives you information on how to answer the questionnaire and what type of information we're looking for. There was also information about how to get support, either technical on the questionnaire or on any questions you have on the questions itself. To navigate through the questionnaire, click on the sections on the left-hand side. This will take you through to the different relevant sections of the questionnaire. You'll see each of the sections has a percentage complete. This relates to how many questions within that section you have already completed. For example, for the training and development section, we've already completed 25%. If you look towards the top of the page, there are a set of buttons which always remain the same place as you click through the questionnaire. There are two buttons to export, one to PDF and the other one to Excel. It's important to note that when we export to PDF, the system will only export the section you are on. When using the other export button, it will export the raw data from all sections into an Excel file. Underneath these are the submit responses and save buttons. When you're ready to submit your responses, click this button and the platform will complete your questionnaire. The platform will let you know if there's any mandatory questions which haven't yet been answered, so you can review those individually. There is also a save and quit button, which will save your progress and exit you from the questionnaire to the main screen. It is important that you use this feature as frequently as possible in order to avoid losing any work. There will also be a save button added in the near future, which will allow you to save without exiting the questionnaire. The questions are set up as such, and if you click into one of the sections, you should see the questions set up like this. Each question has the question at the top, a reference standard, for example, if it's our own reference standard or if it's a global reference standard like GRI. We'll have the response, which in this case is a yes or no, and you'll also have guidance. The guidance gives you information on how you should answer the question. For each question as well, you'll also be given the opportunity to add a comments box, should you want to add in any additional comments to the question. Some questions will lead to other questions. For example, if we click yes for this question, it will lead to another question which we want to answer. Here's a multiple choice question where I can select a number of options or take options away if I wish. Some questions will require you to upload documentation to support your answer. For example, does the company have a charitable contributions policy? Yes or no? If the company doesn't, just click no and move on to the next question. If it does, please click yes, and this will open up the subsequent question. Once you are happy with your answers, please click Submit All Questionnaire Data at the top to submit all your answers. The platform will tell you if there's any questions which are mandatory, we don't have responses yet, and you can go back and review those individual responses. Finally, some key bits of information to keep in mind. Please read the introduction section of this questionnaire. This will give you all the information you need to provide the responses required. If you'd like a colleague to have access to the platform also, please let me know and I will arrange this for them. If you had a technical issue on the platform, such as a document won't load or you can't save your work, please use the contact support function at the top right of the page here. If you need further clarification on any of the questions or have any other issues, please feel free to contact myself or your Investcorp contact and we will get back to you.